Hi everyone, I want to share with you today this valuable and interesting app, which is a NotebookLM application developed by Google. The idea of this app is that you can upload a PDF file for a lecture or for a book or for an article, and the application will convert it to an interview. Now we start by creating a new. We can add a PDF file or a website link or YouTube video link or just copy a text to the input field, and the application will consider that as a source. We can add more than PDF file for some topic. We can add 2 or 3 PDF files for a specific topic, and asking the application to convert the content of these sources into an interview. As we see, I uploaded some files here. Let's try this one, which is about international carriers detection and assessment system. Now, here we have audio overview. And this screen, we have 2 choices. We have playing the interview without interaction with the speakers, or I can interact with them and ask them and interrupt them whenever I want. Let's try this interactive beta.
Have you ever been to the dentist? They poke around a bit, maybe take an x-ray, and then boom, yep, you've got a cavity.
Happens all the time.
It seems so, straightforward, cut and dried.
Right.
But what if I told you the actual science, the way dental professionals...
Oh, wait. Someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hi, I want first to ask how many sources do you have in this topic?
That's a great question, and we're happy to share that.
Yeah, we totally encourage that kind of curiosity.
For this particular deep dive into caries assessment systems, we pulled from a few key academic papers.
Specifically, we're drawing a lot from a comprehensive review published in 2012.
That review looked at the major caries assessment systems in the decade leading up to it.
It was in RSBO, the Brazilian Journal of Oral Sciences.
Oh, go for it.
How many caries assessment system we are talking about here?
Oh, that's an excellent follow-up question. Thanks for jumping in again.
We love the engagement.
So the 2012 review identified 5 new major caries assessment systems that had been developed in the decade prior.
And those 5, along with the foundational DMF index, are what we'll be discussing today.
So you're looking at 6, and although some of them have different versions or build on each other.
It's quite a comprehensive.
We'll start with the classic, the DMF, and then we'll dive into the 5 newer ones.
Each one tries to address different limitations of the systems that came before it.
Did that give you a clearer picture of what's coming?
Yeah.
Tell me about the International Caries Detection and Assessment System.
You are one step ahead of us.
That's a fantastic segue. We love it when you jump in.
Absolutely. The International Caries Detection and Assessment System, or ICDAS, is a really big deal.
It was a game changer when it came out.
Like, kind of a big international collaboration, first in 2001, then refined to ICDS around 2009.
The goal was to create a standardized, evidence-based system for everyone.
So you can actually compare results from studies done in different parts of the world.
Using the same language for decay, which is huge for research.
But the core innovation, what made it a paradigm shift, was its ability to detect and score caries right from the earliest stages.
Oh, yeah.
Could you please enumerate the codes in that system?
We absolutely can. Thanks for asking for that specific detail.
That's a perfect question because it really gets to the heart of what makes ITAS so different.
So with IDAS, especially IDAS-2, the codes for coronal caries, which is the main part of the tooth, range from 0 to 6.
Z, of course, means a sound completely healthy tooth surface.
Then the numbers go up, indicating increasing severity of the lesion.
Code is the first visual change in enamel.
You notice it as a tiny white or brown spot after drawing the tooth thoroughly.
Very subtle, yeah. Code 2 is still just in the enamel, but a distinct visual change.
It's more obvious, but...
So, as you see, you can save these audios in your application and come later and listen to these audios while you are performing another task like walking or any other hobbies. I hope this was valuable for you.